Hey, what's up, Pundi X holder? So today video is going very special for Pundi X holder, and this is one big reason to I tell you to upcoming days they going up or they fails down more. So first of all, my friend, we do a prediction for Pundi X or to they going up in upcoming days or they fails down, and then we decide do they really go up or they fails down. Absolutely, I tell you, my friend. And what's my opinion to upcoming days? You sell, hold, or buy. Absolutely, my friend. This is very important for everyone to know this. This time you can see here, my friend. I want to start this video, but please, if you are new on our channel, most welcome and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type informative videos. Kindly click the red button and press bell icon for videos notification. My friend, this time you can see here the latest price 3.10 US dollar, and the change occurred as 23.10%. What a brilliant change, my friend, in the last 24 hours. I think this is crush change because all cryptocurrencies very badly fails down, and I can't believe it. How is it possible to Pundi X starting moving up? This time you can see here, my friend, the price change occurred and lowest. You can see here 2.23 US dollar, but this you can see here the price is 3.10 US dollar. So very fastly they're starting moving up, my friend, and they give you very good profit if you invest this time. Absolutely. And Pundi X, my brother, this time they give you very good profit. This time you can see the highest change occur as 3.43 US dollar. Very big highest change occur, my friend. This time you can see here the price latest as 3.11 US dollar. So it's mean to they hit a 3.14. So this is very high change, but again fails down, my friend. So Pundi X market cap, check out, my friend, this time 23.04% going up. So this is absolutely good, my friend. Fully diluted market cap as 22.93% going up, and this time you can see here the volume as 38.07% in the last 24 hours. What a big change, my friend, what a big change. Okay, come to the prediction, my friends. To what's my prediction this time, my friend? First of all, I want to draw a charts. Okay, first of all, as you can see here, I draw a line 1, and second draw I draw a line 2, my friend. The line draw is representing the highest point, and the and the second line is representing the lowest target, my friend, points. This time if you can see here, my friends, they touch the highest point. You can see here after a very high point they fails down. The highest jump they fails down, my friend. You can see here this is the circulation, my friend. You can see here this is the small circulation, but after this, my friend, they take a high jump here. So after this jump also they fails down, my friend, in upcoming days, but this time you can see here they're going up. So exactly, my friend, in upcoming days they're moving up. So kindly hold it. And this is the end of month. Every cryptocurrency is moving up like a rocket in those days. So please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you good profit and then sell it. Exactly, they give you very good profit. So don't sell it in those time, because this time they're going up like a rocket. So this is not a selling time, this is buying time. Please buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more informative videos.